You go and there's an aircraft that's broken and it's not able to fly. You go and you repair the problem that it has, and then that aircraft's able to go fly and potentially save someone's life. I take pride in it, and everyone who's out here, hope they have the same amount of pride. We maintain these aircraft to make sure that they are constantly ready to go fly. The aircraft are constantly on an alert status in case any coalition airframe gets shot down or anyone needs help. We will get launched out. The aircrew will go out, drop off the pararescuemen. Pararescuemen will perform any kind of first aid or any kind of medical care that the downed crewmen need, and then load them up onto our aircraft and fly them back either here or to a location that is more suitable to help them medically. The fact that our aircraft are here ready to go pick someone up who may have gotten shot down is actually why several nations have joined the coalition against ISIS, because they know that we're here in case some of their pilots get shot down.